Communication protocols. Communication protocols are formalized rules that govern the exchange of data between devices across networks. They act as a common language, ensuring seamless communication irrespective of device type, manufacturer, or operating system. These protocols play a crucial role in enabling the internet, email systems, file sharing, voice calls, and even cloud-based services. Without protocols, modern communication and digital connectivity would be chaotic and unreliable. They also incorporate error detection and correction mechanisms, providing consistency in data exchange. Importance of communication protocols. Communication protocols play an essential role in ensuring seamless interaction between different devices and networks. By establishing a standardized approach, these protocols facilitate processes such as addressing, routing, error correction, and encryption. Core protocols, such as HTTP and DNS, enable day-to-day activities like browsing and accessing websites, while TCP/IP forms the foundation for Internet communication as a whole. In the context of rising cyber threats, secure protocols like HTTPS and SSH are increasingly critical to protecting sensitive information. Communication protocols also enable scalability, paving the way for innovations in technologies like the Internet of Things, 5G, and AI-driven network management. Lastly, they provide a global framework for collaboration among organizations, ensuring robust and consistent connectivity in the ever-changing digital landscape. Let us discuss the key types of communication protocols. Starting with Transmission Control Protocol. TCP is a foundational protocol in modern networking, offering reliable, ordered, and error-checked delivery of data between applications. It divides data into smaller packets for transmission and reassembles them at the destination, ensuring no data is lost or duplicated. TCP also performs congestion control, adapting to network conditions to maintain smooth data flow. This makes it ideal for use in applications like file transfers, FTP, web browsing, HTTP, HTTPS, and streaming services that demand high reliability. The Internet Protocol, IP, is responsible for addressing and routing packets of data so they can travel across networks and reach the correct destination. It defines the logical addressing scheme that allows devices to communicate globally. IPv4, the current standard, is being replaced by IPv6 due to its limited address space. IPv6 not only provides a vast address pool but also improves routing efficiency and security through built-in support for IPsec. Together with TCP, IP forms the backbone of Internet communication. HTTP is the protocol that underpins the World Wide Web, enabling communication between clients and servers to load web pages and exchange data. HTTPS, its secure counterpart, adds encryption using SSL/TLS, protecting sensitive information such as login credentials and payment details. This security is essential for e-commerce, online banking, and any website requiring user trust. File Transfer Protocol facilitates the transfer of files between computers on a network. It is often used for uploading and downloading files to and from web servers. However, due to its lack of encryption, it has been largely replaced by more secure options like Secure File Transfer Protocol and FTP Secure. These enhanced versions provide encryption and authentication, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of file transfers. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol handles the sending of emails from clients to servers and between mail servers. It is a cornerstone of email communication, often complemented by retrieval protocols like IMAP and POP. SMTP relies on encryption for secure email transmission, preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information during transfer. Domain Name System translates human-readable domain names, such as www.example.com, into machine-readable IP addresses. This allows users to access websites without needing to memorize complex numerical addresses. DNS operates through a hierarchical structure involving root servers, top-level domain servers, and authoritative servers. It also supports advanced features like load balancing and failover, enhancing web performance and reliability. Secure Shell or SSH is a cryptographic protocol used for secure remote access and command execution on servers. It establishes an encrypted connection, protecting against eavesdropping, man-in-the-middle attacks, and other threats. SSH is widely used for administrative tasks, including managing cloud servers, configuring systems, and securely transferring files using Secure Copy Protocol or SFTP. VoIP enables voice and multimedia communication over IP networks, offering an alternative to traditional telephone systems. By leveraging protocols like Session Initiation Protocol and Real-Time Transport Protocol, VoIP supports internet telephony, video conferencing, and instant messaging. It reduces costs and enhances flexibility, making it popular in corporate and personal communication. To summarize, communication protocols are essential rule sets that define how data is transmitted, routed, and secured across networks. They ensure compatibility and efficiency, enabling devices to communicate seamlessly. Foundational protocols like TCP/IP support the Internet, while specialized protocols like HTTPS, SSH, and VoIP address security, remote access, and multimedia communication. Emerging technologies such as IPv6 and AI-driven protocols highlight the ongoing evolution of communication systems, addressing challenges like limited IP addresses, security threats, and the demands of high-speed networks. Communication protocols are not just technical frameworks, they are the pillars of modern connectivity, powering everything from email to cloud computing.